Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi channel. We got all the craziest, angriest and best moments from the world of traffic. I appreciate your constant support and it means the world to me. With that being said, let's jump right into this episode. One driver's reckless driving was not well met with this angry couple. They blocked the whole traffic and went crazy at each other.
You change lanes, and then you stop the car in front of you. What's wrong with you?
My children are there. Why did you bring
What's wrong with you?
You broke someone to me.
You change lanes, and then you stop the car. You got children in the car.
You braked on purpose. You braked on purpose. There's children in the car.
They want to hit each other.
No one hates her, but he tried to hit me on purpose.
There's no point on stopping if you're just going to pull up traffic.
No, they threw something at the car.
It's alright, just jump in your car and go. It's alright, guys. Just chill, man. Come on.
Crazy pedestrian approached the biker and grabbed his handlebars for some reason. We don't know what happened prior to this, but always tend to react less compulsively. Always look both ways before pulling out onto the road. It's that simple, and yet a lot of drivers feel so self-entitled and think that everything revolves around them.
Are you kidding me? Flashing headlight, full high-vis gear, and you pull out in front of me? Are you kidding? How could you not see this?
I couldn't see. I'm coming.
You're right there. I'm looking at you dead in the face. How do you not see?
I'm coming from there. I understand it wasn't there.
I have one kidney because of somebody like you. Because somebody pulled out in front of me and wrecked me 7 years ago.
I'm sorry about that.
I'm freaked out right now, right? I just need a minute.
Yeah.
Just go. I can't.
Again, I'm sorry.
This close. I didn't hit him. Oh. But he said he didn't see me. How do you not see this? Wow. He's pulled out in front of me. Well, thank you. I appreciate you stopping. I'm okay. I just need a minute.
Biker only managed to record the end of the homeless woman's angry rant.
Yeah, she only got one shoe on. No.
One driver was not apparently familiar with the highway code. Bikers can legally filter, but despite that, he still tried to block the biker from doing it.
Dude, lane splitting's legal. You're
actually not a lane,
dude, 2 lanes going straight. You don't know. You're a what's the other place?
A lady threw a cigarette on the road. The biker didn't like the fact that she was littering, so he calmly gave her cigarette back.
Questa è vostra, signore. Che avete il portacenere? Qua, chi pulisce?
These bikers got stopped in the middle of nowhere by a crazy guy. They argued over something, and when one biker tried to move on, things got wild.
All I hear is danger, all I see is danger. All you hear is run, run, here comes danger. Shattered dream.
That's assault! That is assault! I got you a video assaulting him! Hey, sit! Sit back! He assaulted him! Call the cops, man!
Angry Karen didn't even use her indicators as she changed lanes, and yet she still yelled at the biker even though he didn't do anything to her.
It's pretty loud. You should.
No, but you just cruise it. You do it right there. I just fucking hit you.
Supposed to use your turn signal.
Watch where you're going.
I didn't even do anything to you. Use your turn signal. Didn't even do anything to her.
This biker got stuck in a puddle of mud, and unfortunately for him, an angry hunter came to argue over something. Perhaps it's his land here and he didn't want the bikers around.
Byłaś stąd! Zostaw to! Byłaś stąd! Zaraz wszystkim tu robią! Zostaw to! No już kładę, czekaj proszę. Zostaw to i głaz. Zajobisz kurwy! To o co panu chodzi? Co kurwa tobie jak wypierdalaj stąd? Odejdź. Niech pan z tego do mnie nie bierze. Dobrze. No jakie? Siadaj tam pod drzewem, już! Już! Co jeszcze raz? Siadać pod drzewem. Proszę usiąść pod drzewem, jak już coś tak. Bardzo pana przejmie, proszę, proszę. Proszę bardzo.
Joelito pulled out in front of the biker, and he didn't like the fact that the biker honked and shook his head at him. So he decided to pull up on him. Check it out.
What?
You got something to say to me?
I can't hear you.
You got something to say to me, punk?
Dude, I didn't even to you, bro. Hey, man.
This driver was speeding, dangerously passing the bikers, nearly causing multiple accidents, and driving on 2 lanes as well. At the next traffic lights, these bikers pulled up to him.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
bikers got pulled over for riding their dirt bikes on the public road. The cops didn't tow their bikes, and they told them the only place allowed for those bikes is private property. Props to these cool cops.
How you going?
I'm going well. What's going on?
We're going to Mount Clear.
On this? Yeah. You're clearly riding it around here to get there. You can't do that. You can't do that, mate. Jump off. How old are you?
18.
Right. Have you got a licence?
I don't have my wallet on me.
You don't have your wallet on you?
No, I don't.
Put the stand down.
It's got no stand.
It's got no stand. Maybe lean it against the fence. What about you, mate?
No, I'm 17.
You're 17?
18 in 2 weeks.
Right. Do you want to get a driver's licence?
Yes.
Right. Because if you ride unlicensed, unregistered motorbikes around,
yeah,
you won't get one.
Yeah, righty.
I can assure you.
Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you?
No, I honestly don't, but...
So, the answer is no, you cannot ride your unregistered, unroadworthy trail bikes to the bush to ride them in the bush. Also, the bush is not bush, it's a plantation, and any of the roads in there are public roads, so you cannot ride your unregistered trail bikes around in there.
Yeah.
The only places you can ride your unregistered trail bikes are on private property. Yeah. Okay? I appreciate that you guys haven't tried on us and you're trying to do the right thing, or you think you're doing the right thing. Have you seen any photos going around of these people on the trail bikes? No, I hadn't. So if it turns out that it is you guys, that's why I've taken photos.
No worries, but yeah, we've never rode out here before.
Okay, well that's
so,
good.
Yeah.
Won't be a problem.
Yeah.
But I've got your photos, I'll be submitting it as intelligence.
No worries.
And it'll be there, so if you do, we'll now know who's riding these bikes with these helmets.
Yeah, no worries.
So walk them home.
Yeah.
And get your licence and get a bike trailer and take them where it's legal.
Yeah.
And I'll be honest with you, most people probably don't care if you're riding around in the bush as long as you're...
Yeah. Right,
there's also a motocross track out at Beaufort.
Wait, is the GoPro gone?
Yeah.
I got all of it.
I have to stitch up and up.
Yeah, right. I reckon the people up there called the cops. Good YouTube title. Fuck me, that's annoying. I was so keen for a ride, bro.
The driver in front is a real nightmare to deal with. He was constantly brake checking the biker and even blocking his way by driving on 2 lanes.
Where you then? You know all the roads? Brake check me, you
And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and perhaps learning a thing or two from the clips we showed you in this episode. Always proceed with caution whenever you step into the traffic, because one small moment of carelessness can lead to a fatal outcome. Until the next episode, stay safe and ride safe.